Just got your Croma Velocity Smartwatch? Good choice.
Now here's how you can connect it to any Android or iOS based smartphone in 3 super easy steps. This method will also work with any Croma smartwatch that connects via the Dait app. Let's go.
Step 1. Install the Dait app on your phone.
Head to the Play Store or App Store and download the Dait application. You can also reach the app using the QR code on the packaging of your watch.
Step 2. Set up the app.
You will need to set up the Dait app by giving it all the required permissions and entering your personal details like date of birth and height. Once you reach the main page, click on the Add Device button to proceed.
Step 3. Pair your Croma smartwatch.
Turn on your smartwatch by long pressing the side button and you should see it on the app's Add Device screen. Select the exact smartwatch model you have and you're good to go.
Step 4. Enable Bluetooth calling.
On your watch, head to Settings and turn on the phone toggle. This should allow you to use Bluetooth calling on your watch. Now, your watch is ready to use and you can start exploring all the features it has to offer, like 100 plus sports modes, heart rate and SpO2 sensor, 100 plus customizable watch faces, 60Hz refresh rate, and much more.